y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be going over the Ipsy Glam bag spoilers, full bag, everything, all the options that could possibly coming in your $12 glam bag, and we're just going to go through them all. I'm only going to talk about a few that I really need to talk about. If I have any thoughts or opinions on it, or if I've tried it before, but there is a lot, so we're just going to throw up the pictures and make it go as fast, as smooth as possible, because I like to keep these videos around 10 minutes long so they don't drag on and don't bore you, even though I'm sitting in one place, which is kind of boring. But anyways, we're just gonna go through them as fast as possible, like I said. So if you guys love spoiler videos and all that jazz, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So the very first product that you could possibly get in your bag is the Galactic Precision Marker Liner in Black Noir. I've heard of this brand. I've never personally tried it, but you guys might like it. Then we have from the Coffee Scrub a coconut body scrub in coconut. This is also an item that you could possibly get in your Ipsy Plus. I don't know if it's going to be the same size packaging, or if there's going to be, a sample size versus a full size. This is, like I said, coming in both, just so you guys know. Also, the HEMPZ Herbal Body Moisturizer in Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon is coming in the Ultimate and Plus as well. I don't know if there's going to be size variation, since $50 box, $12 bag, or if this is going to be a sample size that's coming in the Ultimate. I don't really know, but this is the item. I just wanted to obviously let you know. Next is the Hey Honey Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of Hey Honey this month. There's a lot of Hey Honey. This one is very exciting. So this is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I've had a sample of this. I have 2 full sizes of this. It's kind of expensive, but you guys, when you get this sample, I think it'll last you about 2 or 3 face masks. It's so good. You guys will probably buy the full size, because that's what I did. Well, no, I actually got it in a Fab Fit Fun. I was really excited. But anyways, this is one that you guys will love. You will love it. And then next is from SKONE Cosmetics. This is the Brown Wand in Chocolate. I've heard a few things about SKONE Cosmetics that people don't like this brand. I've never personally tried it, but I'm just telling you what the people have told me. Next, we have something from LOTTIE London. This is the Shimmer Squad Highlighter in Good Girl. I've never tried anything from this brand. I think they sell it at Walmart. I'm not really sure. I know it's a drugstore brand, but this is just a little highlighter, which it's going to come in a pan. It'll be great if you have a Z palette, so you can just pop it in. If not, it's going to be in this little packaging, and it's loose and it's hard to store. So just be aware of that. Hopefully you have a Z palette if you get this, so it'll just be easier to place, which I think if you do get a lot of sample products from subscription boxes like the Ipsy $12 bag, it'll be great to have a Z palette on hand. You can get them from ColourPop, so when you get items like this, you can place them in your Z palette and have very easy storage. So anyways, next you have something from Youth to the People. This is a superfood cleanser, and then 2 face masks from the same. This is a natural avocado and shea butter sheet mask set. This is something that I got in my very first Ultimate, and I found out these retailed for $1.99 each, so I think that's really good to get 2 in your $12 glam bag. So yeah, I think that's a really great product to get. Then you have an OFRA bronzer in Versatile Matte. These are they're pretty big. I think they're like their sample sizes, but it's a pretty big size, so it would last you forever. So I do like when they put these in the $12 bag. And so if you need a really good bronzer, here you go. Hopefully it matches your skin tone. And then another bronzer in Americano. And then we have the Luxie Beauty 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush in Periwinkle Blue. This is something I put on my add-ons. I love these little bunny type little brushes, so I wanted another one. I have 2. I forgot what brand they are, but I wanted this one, so I got it because I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Now we have something from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in black. I have 2 eyeliners from them. I decluttered the black one because it was very messy, but I kept this green one for days whenever I felt like using the green, so I just wanted to say that. But you have a nice looking mascara wand. It's very curled. I feel like the way the wand is shaped and looks, that this is going to be a really good mascara. And then you have something from FIRMA Beauty. This is the Elite B203 concealer brush, and I think have a few of these brushes, and I think I did like them, but I don't remember, but I know I have some brushes from them. And then this is the Wander Beauty eyeshadow in Blossom. You guys know we see Wander Beauty all of the time, but I think this is actually really, really pretty. And then we have a Wander Beauty eyeshadow in Bouquet. I think I like the other color more, but they're both like really, really pretty. And then from FOXYBAE, we have a replenishing hair mask, which FOXYBAE, I see their like curling irons and wands and flat irons all the time at TJ Maxx for very cheap. I think they're actually a really good company. I don't think I've heard anything negative about them, and I do have some of their hair ties, so yeah, cool hair mask. And then here's something from the brand Awake. This is a lip therapy lip mask, so if you guys need a good lip mask, there you go, you got one. This is from Bubble Tea. I've never heard of this brand. This is a face mask duo in hibiscus and acai, I don't know, berry tea and lemongrass and green tea. The packaging though looks like so freaking fun, so that would be really cool to try out. Then we have something from Cake Beauty, the Curl Friend Defining Curl Cream. Very weird, but whatever. Anyways, you guys might like this if you want to curl stuff. What is this for? Your hair? Oh yeah, okay, this is for your hair, duh. Let's move on. This is a CAOLION, I don't know, Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. I think this would be really great to have actually, so I think you would be really happy to have that. And then there's something from Curology. This is a cleanser. I have this exact one I got in an Allure box. I haven't tried it yet. I think I might have put it in my declutter box though, but yeah, I've been seeing like tons of ads about them lately, so maybe you want to try it out and see if you want to get like a full size. This is from Grace and Stella, the Lavender Body Cream. I've liked the things that I've gotten from Grace and Stella. I have a rose facial spray and I have the little rose quartz facial roller. I really like that roller and I've used it a lot since I got it last month. And then we have something from Hanalei Company. This is the Kalu Lip Balm in Island Mint. I think this would be something really great to have still around this time of the season when you have dry lips. So honestly, a $12 bag, if I get a chapstick in there, I'm gonna be pretty freaking stoked. And then we have another one, and this is the Kalu Lip Balm in Tropical Citrus. Either one I would be like really happy to get. And then from the brand Honey Jarrett, I've never heard of this brand either. This is the Clean Whip Cleanser. And then from Kinsey, this is a So Pretty fragrance. Honestly, I have gotten 2 perfumes from Ipsy before. I did not like them. I feel like getting a perfume is cool, but like fragrances are very personal, so I don't really like that. I mean, I guess makeup in general is personal, but like a fragrance, I don't know. I personally don't want a fragrance in my subscription box, so, but you know, there's perfume subscription boxes out there. Lux SB, I have a code. I don't know what it is, but you guys can go join them if you want a fragrance. This is the MISCHO Beauty Nail Lacquer in Unbroken. I think this is a really pretty color. So if you get this, I think it'd be fantastic, especially in a $12 bag. Then we have some things from Naked Cosmetics. This is the Mica Pigment in Blushing Bronze 06. And then the Mica Pigment in Mother Nature 05. We have something from Polar, it's a night cream. We have some hydration and vitamin C facial sheet masks from the brand Rail. I don't know how to pronounce that. We have another brow wand in peanut butter from SKONE Cosmetics. Again, I haven't heard anything good about this brand. If you do like the brand, let me know down below. And then we have something from Tarte. This is the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. And I added both of these Tatcha creams to my order. They were $3 add-ons. I know that these samples are literally this big, so be aware of that, but I've been wanting to try so I could buy a full size. They're like $60, $80. But this is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and then the Tatcha The Water Cream. Then we have something from Wander Beauty. This is the Trip to Costa Rica Bronzer. We have some foundations from Yinsa, the Skin on Skin BC Foundation in Light Neutral. We have another one in Medium Warm, and another one in Tan Neutral, which I've gotten a sample of their foundation before and I did not use it, so I cannot comment on that. Then we have something from Belle in Argent. This is the Lip Lure Gloss and Jealous of Us. This is something that I've been hearing like really weird things about, so I don't really know how I feel, but I'm not going to say anything because I don't know like all the information, but yeah, well, let's move on. Then there's a eyeliner from Illamasqua. I have a full size of this and I haven't tried it yet because I'm trying to go through my other liner, but it's a great brand. Then we have some more brushes from Complex Culture. This is the All Over Shadow Brush. And then we have the Precision Eyelid Brush. So if you get any of these, I think you're going to be excited. This is a Ipsy owned brand, I believe. And I just love the aesthetic of the brushes. They're very cute. And then you have a mini little eyeshadow quad. This is the Pacifica Beauty Wild Hemp Eyeshadows in Quartz, Dusty, Smoky Quartz, Tiger, Crystal, Flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 5, so it's not a quad. So if you guys want like a cute little quick neutral eye palette, this would be really cool to get in your bag. Then we have some stuff from Cheyenne B Miami. We have a blush in Bellini, a blush in Brickle, a highlight in Beachy, and a highlight in Guava Glow. I guess I could have guessed that. And then we have a Go-To Face Hero little facial oil. I wonder if this is going to be a regular size or if this is going to be the sample size, since we are getting this one in the ultimate box. And then we have 2 little things from Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation in Y245. And then we have another one in Y315. So it's just a tiny little sample of the foundation. But if you guys do like powder foundations, you want to try one out, I think this would be really cool to have in your bag. So that is everything coming in the Ipsy $12 glam bag. So if you guys have any comments, leave them down below. What would you like to see in your $12 bag? Have you looked at your spoilers? Do you know what you're getting? Or what items are you getting in your bag? Let me know down below. All your thoughts and opinions as always, so we can talk about them. And yeah, if you guys loved it, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!